Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Google Assistant is active and has the right permissions. That matters because Assistant needs microphone and phone access to call. Say, "Hey Google," or press the Assistant button to invoke it now. Once done, use clear phrasing, say the contact name exactly as saved. If you haven't linked a VO IP service, make sure your default calling app is set. This prevents the Assistant from asking which app to use. You now speak the command. Call Sarah Jones or dial 415-555-0123, use full digits when reading numbers. If you want speakerphone or a Bluetooth headset, add that phrase. For example, call mom on speaker. Assistant may read matching contacts back, listen and answer with yes or call the first one. Make sure your phone's volume and network are good, because poor signal leads to drops during the call. You complete the call by saying hang up or by tapping the red end button. Assistant follows immediate voice commands like mute or hold. If Assistant mishears the name, repeat slowly, spell the name, or say the phone number digit by digit. That fixes most recognition errors. If it still fails, make sure microphone and phone permissions are enabled, your default calling app is set, and your internet or cellular signal is stable. One quick fix to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.